G'day Rhys, g'day Colleen, how are you?
Good, Ben, thank you.
How have you been the last weekend?
Very good. We went off-grid.
That's right. And did you have power?
We had power. Lots of power.
Plenty of it.
Lots of solar coming in, which was awesome.
I heard you even ran your electric hot water system over the weekend.
Yeah. No, we ran that for an hour and a half and only lost a little bit of the battery, so we're stoked.
Yeah. Where did you guys actually come from?
We're from Sydney originally.
Sydney.
We left 12 months ago.
Yeah.
We've been on the road 12 months yesterday.
Awesome. Well, there you go. Happy anniversary then for yesterday.
Right. Thank you.
For sure. How long are you in Queensland for?
For the rest of the year.
The rest of the year?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
And we'll start heading south, hopefully Sydney for Christmas to see the family. Then the plan is WA next year.
Yep. Nice. Which you need reliable power for, obviously.
Of course.
For sure. And you reckon we've helped you out with that?
You have,
Oh,
mate.
100%.
Full Victron suite we did. So you've gone 24 volt. That's a bit different to most caravans going around.
Yes.
Pretty cool. There's actually a 5 kVA inverter going in there. And what did I say we got up there?
1460.
1460. So 1,460 watts of solar on the roof. And as well as DC to DC charging off the vehicle.
Yes.
This is your home, isn't it, guys?
Correct, yes.
Awesome.
Yeah, we sold our house and this is our new house.
So that's probably attributed to the reason you went such a large power system.
Yeah, we want to have reliable, enough power to run aircon when we're in WA in remote situations.
For sure.
And especially the plan is to extend the family, so to be comfortable in the future and years
course,
to
yeah.
come, that big power system will be good enough for us.
For sure. It means you can run that aircon, there's no noisy generators or anything like that.
That's it.
You guys don't actually carry a generator, do you?
No.
Cool.
No need.
Yeah, that's right, no need for it anymore.
That's right.
The first sort of day you used it, how far did you just get down overnight?
I think we got down to 75%.
Yep.
And then by 10:30, 11 o'clock the next morning, we were back up at 100 after cooking on the induction cooker, running the
For
kettle.
breakfast, yeah, we really hit it at breakfast time.
Gave it a good hit.
Still by midday we were back at 100%.
Awesome. That's exactly what you want to see. So do you guys ran the kettle and the induction cooktop at the same time?
Yes. Yep.
Awesome. That was the advantage of that 5 kVA inverter.
Yeah, exactly.
But how did you guys hear about us?
We found you on Facebook.
Found us on Facebook?
And then it was a phone call to yourself.
sure.
And I suppose after that first phone call, we were comfortable that we were going to go with these guys from Bundaberg. First step in the door, we felt like we were part of the family here, so
Good. Glad to hear it.
yeah, it was an
Yeah.
easy decision for us.
Very easy.
Some specs for those people that are after specs out there. So we've got a 24 volt, 200 amp hour lithium battery. You can actually run up to 5 of them, but we've left room in case you ever want to go a second one down the line. Almost 1.5 kilowatts of solar. Got a DC to DC charger, and the big one in there was that 5 kVA inverter, which pretty much lets you run anything you could possibly want. In there was the idea of that.
Yes. Yeah.
So Van the Land Down Under. What's the
Yeah,
that
that
one?
was a travel name that
Travel
we come
name?
up with. But I think that's how we found meeting travelling families on the road, which now we've met sort of lifelong friends out of as well. So
Very cool, for sure. Gives you a bit of an area to sort of post your history under it, I guess.
yeah, exactly.
Put your memories somewhere.
That's
Yeah,
it.
and
Yeah,
if
it's
we
a bit like
can-
a travel diary.
Yeah,
If we can get
cool.
other people out there doing what we're doing, we feel like we've done a little bit.
Well, let's go take a little bit of a look at the work we've spoken about and have a bit of a look at the Willow on the inside too.
Let's do it.
Yep.
Thanks for showing us the inside of your van, Rhys. Let's have a bit of a look under the bed where we've done the work. There it all is. Got the battery, the inverter, and all the gear tucked at the rear of it there.
All tucked away very nicely and still enough room just to put a crate and a few bits and pieces in there.
Sure, can store a little bit, but plenty of room for airflow and whatnot as well. Colleen, show us how you use this new equipment we put in.
Yeah, sure. So easy as, pop the inverter on, and I'll give you a quick go how to put the aircon on. Now that the inverter's on, flick that on,
Switching a button and we're good to go.
that's it.
Cool.
Easy as.
That's for sure. In terms of the monitoring too, we've got the Touch 50 up there. All the numbers, everything's measured in percentage in watts, which makes it really easy for anyone to understand, even if you're not right up there with all the power equipment. You can easily see that right now, with the aircon, it's just turned on, it's not using a lot of power, using 47 watts. The solar's recovering that, and your batteries are sitting at 86%. Nice and easy. All right, so you're pretty happy with the result then?
Yeah, no, we're very happy.
Yes,
And
love it. Absolutely love it.
yeah.
We'll be recommending you to everyone.
We appreciate that, thank you very much. That's one more set of happy customers. If you need a job just like this one, a bit smaller, a bit bigger, give us a call at Solar on Sat Bundaberg.